The 5 most beautiful peacocks you've probably never seen. Number 5. Green Peacock, the national bird of Myanmar. It eats anything it can find. Plants, insects, even small reptiles. You'll spot it in India, Thailand, and Cambodia. Number 4. Wild Palawan Peacock, one of the most stunning birds in the Philippines. Its feathers have circular blue-green patches, and it can live for 15 years. Number 3. Great Argus Peacock. Unlike others, it spreads its wings forward like a fan, not backward. Each feather shines with golden eyespots, a dance built to hypnotize. Like the video now, before the Argus opens its wings behind you. Number 2. White Peacock. No color, no pigment. Just pure white feathers created by a genetic mutation. It's not albino, just perfectly pale. Number 1. Indian Peacock, the national bird of India. It has the longest and thinnest feathers of all, a moving painting of blue and green. Beauty doesn't ask for attention, it demands it.